Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the cave. Hey, today we're going to continue on to these rockers. I gotta say that it looks really easy when you look it up on YouTube, and in real life, yeah, not so much. But then again, I have no clue what I'm doing, so that's helpful. But I gotta say, this guy right here, Brian from BW's Garage, is very, very helpful. I message him and he's always got an answer that I need. So anyway, I thought I'd show you. I got my decals on. So Montana Garage, we got Ironhead Garage, we got good old Mook, Poor Possums. And like I said, Brian, all you guys are helpful. You're a lot of incentive. You really are. When the frustration sets in, it's kind of nice to have a support group that helps out. But yeah, this has been quite the nightmare. I actually did another intro that I'll probably put in. I'm not sure, but anyway, this thing is just. I tell you what, it's just beating me. But you know what? This isn't something I ever did. You know, I've been a drag racer my whole life. I plug motors and transmissions in and tune and, you know, do all that stuff. Plumb cars, you know, wire them, ignitions, you know, tune on them, do everything. But you know what? When it comes to body work and doing this work, man, I tell you what, it's quite trying, to be completely honest with you. I'm not losing hope. I just, you know what, it's hard to get content out when, you know, I was at it all day yesterday and it seems like I got nothing accomplished. I did, you know, but I just didn't seem like I really got anything done. So, but anyway, enough of my crying. I'm going to get back to it today. I'll show you a couple of the things that I'm doing and where I'm at right now. And I'm glad I talked to Brian this morning. There's a couple more spot welds. I'm trying to get the old rocker out of the pocket in the A-pillar. And, well, I tell you what, it's fighting me all the way. I didn't realize how much they really welded that in. So I'm going to get back at it and see if I can't nip and tuck and try to get it out of there. So, hey, stick with me, guys. I'll get this. I really will. It's going slow. I just hope that rocker videos aren't going to get boring because, man, I'll tell you what, you guys make it look easy. So, stick with me. We'll be right back. Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the cave. Yep, I'm back out of here doing stuff. So, anyway, let me show you what I'm up to. So, we've been chopping away at this rocker panel, and I got two right there, but you can see this is a bit of a mess right here. So I got that much left. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this front fender off and get it to the rest of it. So I'll bring you back here in a minute. Okay, so what has been happening? So this is the cap that I cut off. Let's see this here. So this is what was on the old 5. And you can see, let me light this up here. You can see what is left here. So I'm going to cut this off, cut it away down there, but I want to be real careful here and try to save as much of this A-pillar that hopefully is good. So we're going to do that and then get this crap out of here and then try to fit it back here. So let's get that apart. and I'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, well, we got that front piece cut off. I still got to cut off the fender mount, but I exposed that last piece of, let's see it right here, last piece of cap. So we know what's there, and all this ugliness of the floor, but we're getting it exposed and figuring out where we're heading for this. So I'm going to get cutting that rest of that off, and then I'm going to try to fit the new rocker on and see where we're at. Wish me luck. Yeah, so this is what I've been hacking away at and trying to clean up. Like I said, that everybody makes this look really easy, and man, it is not. So this is where I'm at right now. So this is out, gone, and cleaned up. And then obviously, you know, the disaster of the floor is still there, which is going to go. But what I want to do is try to fit the rocker up. So, but I needed to get this clean so I can get the rocker, you know, I needed to get this cleaned up so I could set the rocker in place. So that will be the next jaunt of this. So hang in there, folks. I think we're actually finally starting to get it. Ha! How about that? All right, guys. I'll bring you back. Okay, well, we're back. And as you can see, I actually have the rocker sort of in place. I've just got it vice gripped up right now. It's got to go back some more. You can see back here I need to cut away a little bit more. Let's see. I need to cut back here some more. I'm just taking a little piece at a time until I get it back, and then, you know, fit it up in here. But for right now, that's, I don't know. See, this is a piece of that cap that they had. I don't know. You guys think I should just cut this off at the, I already kind of cut it at the wall here. If I should just cut it along here and be done, you know, and then just try to get this, I don't know, I was thinking if I left that there I got something to mount this to, but I don't know if that's going to push it down, because it's still, you can see it needs to come up quite a bit yet, but it's still probably, it's probably about an inch. It's still got to go back an inch. Problem was is every battery that I had that I've been kept charging all day finally went dead, so I'm out of cordless batteries right now, and I'm out of juice myself. But I have a rocker panel sitting in there, so it's actually a win on my part. So I know it wasn't a real exciting video, and I know that I just keep posting about this stuff, but man, I'll tell you what, for a guy that's never done this, this is kind of exciting. Now I just got to make it all fit right, and that I think will be the easy part. It's just been getting this stuff. Oh, my supervisor's here. Hi there, supervisor. What do you think? Huh? So yeah, that's where I'm at. So that's where I'm going to leave it. So I figured I'd get a video out to you guys, and you can see what I've been up to. I really pushed myself this weekend to get the stuff done, and the weather's a little bit better. Thank God it stopped raining, so that really helps. Otherwise, my RA just goes crazy, and I can't get anything done. So, but anyway, how bad's my face look? Okay. Yeah. So anyway, hey guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to the video. subscribe to the channel, I mean. But yeah, like and share the video if you like it. I'm trying to get more content out. It's just hard getting this stuff done. It's just a crawl right now. So I'll keep throwing the little stuff out if you want to see it. If you don't, let me know. I'll just wait until I get somewhere. So, okay. Thanks, guys. And you know what? Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. I'm going to try to get this out tonight. Yeah, well, it's still Mother's Day. And yeah. Peace out, bud. Bye.